Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the Bible AI story, and it is for free. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step I will do is I will ask for this Gemini AI to create me the full of story from the Bible. For example, here I use the prompt or the question, the story of 7 days of creation following the Bible in Genesis. Well, Genesis is basically one of the books of that contains in the Bible. And after that, it will give you the detail of every single creation of each day. For example, about the day 1, the light, and it will be followed into the day 2, day 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, or the last day. And after that, I will copy this whole story. I will copy it, and after that I will visit this notebook lm.google.com, and I will click the create new over here or over here, create new book. And after that, as you can see, this is the field that you would like to put your source about or the story. Here you can input or upload the story in the PDF or the text, markdown, or audio. But since we have just copied the story from the Gemini, then I will choose this paste text, copy text, and I will paste it here. And after that, you can click insert. Right after click the insert, this will bring you into this field. So usually this notebook LM will try to summarize the story that you have just upload or put here, and after that it will give you the several options. If you would like to generate it to become the audio, then you can just simply click it, and like I did before, I click this video overview because I want this story to become generated or being created into the video. And if you would like to create it into the mind map, then you can just click it too. And also this will be several options. For example, if you would like to create this to become the briefing document, study guide, and also the frequently or question, and also the timeline. And as you can see, this is well the process of generating video, and this is the result, and I'll show you the video.
Today we are diving into one of the most influential origin stories ever told. Seriously, it's a narrative that has shaped cultures, beliefs, and even the way we structure our week.
And you can start to.
By dividing light from darkness, the story sets up the basic rhythm of our existence.
As you can see that this video is already being generated into 5-minute story, and if you would like to download it, then you can just click this download. And for example, if you would like to create the video more lively, then actually you can use this Gemini, but I recommend you to upgrade it to become pro version, and by that case you will have the chance to create the video in the model of the Veo 3, but usually the user will have the 3 chances to generate a video to become 3 video. For example, I will show you that I asked this Gemini to create me about the video of 7 days of creation following the Bible. And after that, after the generation process about maybe 3 until 5 minutes, then the video is ready, but it is only it is only presented into 8 seconds. The video is like this. this is the video, guys, and if you would like to create like this, then don't forget to try this tip. And if you would like to share us about the another tips to create this story, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And if you have any request, feedback, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below too. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to watch more another video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.